store with their semi-annual clearance sale. We got 40% off dunk highs right here, SB dunk highs. We got all these SB dunks, including this one right here. Wow. They have $20 hats. They used to have $10 hats in some spots. And I guess we're gonna be shooting with this one starting the next video. We are out in the Plaza West Covina. Came here to check out this Fanzz store with their semi-annual clearance sale. That other store had 50% off one rack and then 30% off another. They just got 30% off here. But they do got the dope Lakers shorts. What they going for? 85. So 85, 30 off, a little more than I want to spend. Do got the Pro Standard shorts right here. 110, 30 off. Dang it, not the deals that I was hoping for. $88, 30 off. Okay. 88 for the Raptors old school right there. And then, is this the one that I got? Is this the one that I got recently? 87 or $88. Old school Magic's pinstripes. These bad boys going for 85. Pittsburgh Steelers go for $94. All right, large, extra large, kind of seeing the same stuff. 130 for the Lonzo Mourning jersey right there. Bulls pinstripes go for 85 as well. And then I just got this in the Antelope Valley. This one is a small. I did get a medium and 94 here. I got it for 30 bucks. 94 here. Damn. I have a feeling a lot of the stuff here hasn't been updated. Make sure you guys ask if you guys are interested in any of this stuff. They got another rack right here. Yeah, if I was you and I was interested in anything, I would definitely have them scan this stuff. They got the Negro Baseball League stuff right here. They got the fake jerseys. These are the kiddo ones. But yeah, this is from the Mighty Ducks right here. These are 30% off, 75. Oh, they got some of the throwbacks, the authentic Dodgers jerseys, the Piazza ones right here. These are going for 130. Got Hideo Nomo as well. Those are pretty dope. Ooh, Tommy Lasorda, that's a large. Okay, so 130, you get 30 off. Got some Dawson jerseys. I don't really follow baseball, so I don't really know who that is. You got the Boucher, Bobby Boucher jerseys as well. I think these are $80. Cobra Kai jerseys right here. Got a couple Iverson jerseys, but yeah, these are 135. Chris Webber 130. Yep. There's a Borders right here. Came here what, 3-4 weeks ago? They got 5 different dunks. SB dunks, that is. Oh, this one's the last size 7 right here. And they still got these 2 available. We've seen these at the Borders out in Northridge. Also got the black and whites as well. Got a Far Side collab right here. Right, I think that's what it says. But yeah, do got these Lakais right here. These are the Lakai Telford highs. Kind of gives me the vibe of the dunks, but it is 50% off. I think this is the last size. I've been eyeing these right here. These are pretty clean. The Telford lows totally reminds me of the dunks, but they're different enough. In the Pacifico, I've seen these. I've showed you guys these plenty of times. Go for $80. They got 2 more versions of the Pacificos right here. If you're into Mexican beers, man, this is what's up. 50% off. Oh, that's what's up. That's what's up. They got tons of different colorways. Lakers colorway right here. Last size 12 going for 50 off. They got a few more right there. 50, 50, and 50 off. Got some clean Adidas right here. The Boozinets? Is that what it's called? 50% off. Only got 1 more size. Got some Converse right here. The Dial Tones. 50% off of those bad boys. Got some Vans right here with some, what are those, emojis? Cartoons? I don't know. 50% off. Got these right here. SpongeBob's slip-ons, 50 off. Got some old schools right here. The leather they use on these so nice. 50 off of those, 50 off of these. Got 50 off of all kinds of stuff, yo. Is this a Nyjah collab with LeBron right here? Size 8? Size 8 right here. Never seen these before, but yeah, 50 bucks. 50 bucks. Only got a size 8 though. And they still got these deconstructs right here, 40% off. Size 11 and 12. And then a 10.5 too, because this one's a 10.5. But yeah, man, 40% off. Damn. Well, what other stores they got here? They do have a Finish Line. Is this a new colorway of the Cortez that I've never seen? Kind of like a Lakers colorway? Kinda, sorta. But yeah, $90 for those. Then they got some of the classic ones. Black and white Raiders colorway. And then they got some on sale. Got some Cortez on sale. And that's right next to the 574s that are on sale. I freaking love these. I love these. I don't think these are rugged. These are not a rugged, but these are just so clean. These are comfy as hell too. And they go true to size. Also got these right here. Extra long hair suede. Such fan of extra long hair suede. I just rarely ever wear green like that. And then do got these Cortez on sale. And then everybody's been having Vomeros on sale lately. Like everything has gotten super popular. Then Nike makes a million different colorways and then eventually they all go on sale. And that's pretty much the recipe, man. That happened to the Dunks, happened to the Jordans, and then also happened to these bad boys right here. $100. It works for me because, you know, I just want stuff on sale. Things don't have to be hype. Things don't have to be really limited for me to grab them if they go on sale. And they're dope. I'm considering them. I am considering them. All right. Those are the Air Max 1s. Dude got a Foot Locker here. I hope you guys have been catching my Foot Locker outlet vlogs. Those have just been so interesting to me. Yesterday's video should have been a Foot Locker vlog or Foot Locker outlet vlog. But yeah, they got these on sale here as well. The 574s with extra long hair suede. They got 725s. I don't know none about 725s, but I've been seeing them on sale here and there. And 2002Rs, people have been hyped about those. And then also got these 550s on sale right here. This is a pretty cool colorway. Gum bottom, got that powder blue, baby blue on it. These 990s, hella clean. You can wear these pretty much with anything. And they got that extra soft suede on it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Made in the USA as well. $2 for those though. And then do got Adilette 22s on sale. Try these on though before you just order them because they do fit weird. For me, they fit weird. I fit size 11s on every slide, and these 11s, they didn't fit right, man. Oh wait, they got a couple other 2002Rs on sale. One up top right here. Got this green one. You have to have clothes that match that. That is very long hair suede. And then got these 2002Rs right here. These ain't bad. They're not bad. You can wear this with almost anything. Got a little sales table right here. Got some Comfort 11s, Trae Young 3s. Some Questions right here going for $80. Mellow. Got some Mellow 3s right here, 80 bucks. And then 312s. I think these are the things that stuck out for me. Wait. Oh, wait. We got some Dunk Low Twist. These are women's. $80. Size 9 and 9.5. Got Trae Young 3s. Got 2s. And look at this. Look at this. $70 for these bad boys right here. The crazy ones, aka Kobe ones. That is a hell of a deal, especially if you have a survey coupon. Like I said, share with your friends if you guys have them. I need to fill out a couple survey coupons when I get home. But yeah, I do got these as well. The crazy, what, 98s? Is that what they're calling them? Crazy 8s? I don't know. Yeah, the crazy 8s, that's what they're calling them. And Digi Camo right here. Going for 60. That's not too bad. And then do got these. It's like hard seeing these at the regular stores because the Foot Locker outlet we saw for so cheap. So cheap. Even all the Mellows, we've pretty much seen a ton of those on sale. Then got you guys some Dunk Low substitutes right here. Some Pumas. If you don't have access to Dunks, I guess. Especially for that price. Oh, and even at some of the retail shops, Champs Outlet, if you happen to be close by, they had them for $50 right there. But Even everywhere else, $80. That's not bad at all. Got the question pumps and stuff like that on sale for 100. Got some Vans. Some Vans. These old schools right here, $35. That's definitely a steal. Got the skate lows right here going for 50. And I like these 3D thingies. What are these called? The new schools. They call them the new schools. Right here, they got all kinds of extra padding, and then the 3D little 3D Vans logo or Vans squiggly stripe right there. Like, these look dope. These look dope. And I'm telling you, Vans always uses really good leather most of the time. Did I say always and most of the time? Whatever. Your opinion doesn't matter. Your opinion doesn't matter. But yeah, $70. Yeah, for the most part, they tend to be pretty decent. Pretty decent. Wait. That's my favorite 2 words right there. 70% off. But yeah, do you got Nike running track jacket, 85. Got both of them are smalls, I believe. Oh wait, they got them in medium as well. 50% off. That color works for you. Tennessee Volunteer fans, they got you with these Nike Air sweatshirts right here. These are 50 off of 95. It's a large and extra large. And I got some sweats right here going for 70. Oh, it's not 50, it's 70% off. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Escalator out of service. You guys taking this? I'm taking it, dude. What the hell? Ain't nothing missing. It's just not turned on. What the hell? Still use them as stairs. What the hell's wrong with people? Escalators right there. Shoe pouch right there. I would have had to go all the way around. I'm good. I'm good. And they do have some of the more sought after shoes. Dude got the KD4 Weathermans right there, and then also got the Diamond Turf. The old school Deion Sanders. These were, man, I'm telling you, these were just one of the dopest when I was a kid. Then I was looking for these a while back for my boy Georgie, and then yeah, finally find them. And they still have the Vomeros on sale. I think this is the best colorway here. I know people are gonna like the blue ones, but yeah, they got another monocolor one right here for $100, man, $100. As well as the Cortez, going for 60. And then they have a ton of Dunks. Holy cow, look at the different colorways of the Dunks. Holy cow, holy cow. And they got more on the side right here. I don't think I even got the red one up top. Yeah, then they got those, okay, and then they also have these. I'm gonna have to get a pair for my kid before school starts, but I'm being patient. I'm hoping I can find one at the outlets, maybe a refurb. And then this is really good for all you Adidas heads right here. Look at this. Got Gazelles on sale. Got multiple Gazelles on sale for $70. Gazelles have historically always been regular price. Then also got Samoas on sale. These have rarely ever been on sale. And then Stan Smith. We always see Stan Smiths on sale, but also see the Campus as well. Going for $80. These are normally like what, 100, 120 or something. So not bad. And then this location still does have the Shoe Palace exclusives right here. Kind of shows when Shoe Palace first opened. And yeah, they use the really nice leather on these. I've been talking about these for a while. Damn, dude, I'm gonna have to get these eventually. I got the flea ones right here going for 50. Oh, those ain't the flea ones. But yeah, got some regular Dunks right here. As well as right here going for 50. And then, oh, got a couple more Gazelles on sale, 70 and $80 for these. And then in the women's section, we've seen these at plenty of Shoe Palaces. These are the Jordan 1 Low OG, UNC to Chicago. These are an OG, man, but you know, they're available just mostly in women's sizes. Pretty much every spot that I've asked about the big sizes, they are gone. Got a couple Stadium 90s if you just need some clean Jordans. Or do people not even consider these Jordans? This store really has like the dirtiest mirrors. Like, I think they wiped it. Maybe it's what they wiped it with. But yeah, this is all I got right now. Air Max 97. These are the real trees. So it does have that camo on it. I forgot how much I paid, but I got these hella cheap at the Nike outlets. And it is hot outside, like 100 degrees. So I'm wearing a tank top as well as Nike cargo shorts, I guess. And this location does still have the Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined. Have not seen these at too many Shoe Palaces. I've seen them at some Chics. But yeah, $120 for those. These, we all knew these were gonna go on sale. $150 140 for those. The ochres right here, 130 for these. And of course the green glow, I feel like we've seen this on sale level 140 for those. Then we got twos, we've been seeing twos. We got mids, more mids. Ooh, got the sevens right here. What these going for? 140 for these. That's cheaper than what I got mine for. Dang, dude. Dang it. I got mine at the clearance store. I bought it too early. I thought I did not want to lose my chance to get them, so I got them a little before I should have. But yeah, 150 for these right here. 312s, then a couple of Team J's, under $100 at least. Dang, seeing this lids made me realize like I need to take my shirt back to Lids so they could take the security tag off. God dang it. And they have $20 hats. They used to have $10 hats at some spots, but I'm seeing 20 here. Got some Houston hats. Who is this? Oh, the Dominican Republic, the DR hats. We saw those a while back. Atlanta Braves right here. These are fitted Mitchell & S. Florida Marlins. Got Dodger fitted hats right here. Most of these are new era, so these are pretty legit hats. The denim one had a denim fitted hat right there. Clippers hats. Got Dodgers hats. Okay, decent selection here. They got one resale shop here. This place is huge. Bulk Club. I see one customer in there. Really? How are they alive? And this mall does have a Best Buy. Why does that sign look so bootleg? And this is the section that I need to go to. I need to get a case for my new phone. Not recording on it yet because I'm scared to walk around with it and break it. So I should get the Defender series. Let's see what I find. Commuter ones on sale. Big time on sale, but the Defender is not on sale. I usually get the Defender ones. Dang it. So I spend a few minutes to search online. Nobody has them on sale. The S24 Plus right here for my kiddo. The S24 Ultra for me. Damn. That wasn't this one, is it? Did I miss out on something? What's going on here? I looked that up, but that one's a clear one. It's a clear one. I don't know if it protects as well as this one. So, all right. Damn, maybe like $150 for all this. God dang it. God dang it. $65 each. God dang it. I don't have any insurance for my phone, so I do need to spend a good amount to protect them at least. Oh well. Oh well. Right outside the mall, right next to the freeway. Look at that sneaker shop right there. That's that resale shop. They spending money. Holy cow. That is cheesy though. That is hella cheesy, man. Come on now, dog. Really? Really? Copying someone else's logo? Yeah, pretty cheesy. All right, got my S24, the S24 Ultra. This is the Samsung Galaxy. And I guess we're gonna be shooting with this one starting the next video. And hopefully the videos get better. We'll see. All right, we're at the Nike Wall Collective in Glendale. Still got military blue. Oh, that's what's up. Then of course the first thing we need to look at, 70% off. Are these the Barons? The Barons weren't supposed to release yet, are they? Yo, this is the cheapest we've ever seen. The 550s, $30.